Okay guys, today we are going to be playing musical objects. So, in the class, all the students will have made something. So, every student has one object each. In this game, it's similar to musical chairs. The student will take the object they have made and they will put it somewhere in the classroom. And we will all be singing a song. When the song is finished, they have to run and get their object. It doesn't need to be the one that they made, it could be someone else's object. It's okay. Each time that the song has finished and the child has gotten an object, the teacher will take one away. So then there's one last object. And if there's one student who doesn't have an object, they are out. So we will try play it. So we are going to be singing, "Rain, rain, go away, come again another day." Okay, so everyone can be dancing around the room while they're singing. So ready? Yeah. Let's go. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Stop! Find an object! Come back. Oh, so we all have magic objects, so we are all safe. Now, as I'm the teacher, I'm going to take one away. So we have one less. Everyone puts their objects back. And we're gonna sing again. Ready? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Stop! Find an object! No! Oh, so sadly, Emily does not have an object, so she is out. Okay, and I'm gonna put this object away. So we have 3 people left and only 2 objects. Ready? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Stop, get an object! Oh no! So you end up having one winner at the end. Okay, so hopefully you will enjoy it and you can change the song to whatever you need it to be for the class. We'll see you next time. Bye!